So then I'd send you $60 up front, and then when they're approved, I'd send you the other 60.
Yeah, this is Farabi and Mr. Jahid and me. We are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work.
Hold on a second. I've gone
Yeah.
to your website and it says this site can't be reached.
Uh,
fsdfreelance.com. So I guess that's
I'm sending the website link to you on chat box.
okay.
Check.
I've got it now. All right.
Okay. So, recently our team member Mr. Jahidul has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. And if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow.
Mm-hmm.
So mainly we found that your video has some optimizations related issues and you are not promoting your videos to your targeted audience and you are not researching high volume rank tags for your videos. Your video score is not up to the mark. So overall, if you can fix all of the problem, then definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're
Okay.
interested, then we'll go ahead.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Mainly we will optimize your video metadata and we will promote your videos to your targeted audience and then we will research high volume rank tags for your videos and we will guide you what should you do and what should not to do and how you improve your channel. We will work as a manager of your channel and for that work we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. So our first package is standard package. In our standard package we will optimize your 10 video and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work.
Say that again. $120 is to do what? To optimize the video?
Yeah,
Okay. So tell me what all that includes.
that includes your 10 video SEO optimizations and fixing all of the problem and promotion also.
I would do the podcast and send it to you, and you're saying then for you to optimize it, do they automatically populate through AI, or am I sending you the tags? How do the tags get created?
You will just give your main video focusing keyword, then you will generate from us.
Okay, so I give you the main video and then I send the keywords
Yeah,
and then you generate.
yeah.
Okay, and how much time do y'all need to do this?
If you take our starter package for 10 videos, it takes 1 week.
Okay. Well, because right now, because I produce one at a time, and so you're saying if I'm okay now, my video goes out on Fridays, and of course it lives on the website. So are you saying that you're wanting to produce 10 videos at once and they're all going out simultaneously, or what are you saying about 10 videos?
Uh, we can do both type of your videos already uploaded or existing videos, upcoming videos.
Okay, so you would take already existing videos, is what you're
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
Okay. And with each of these, I send you my list of tags. Is that right? And
Yeah, and
go ahead.
to start the work, we need your channel editor access. Then we can optimize, edit each of the things. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 video links, which video you want to do SEO and optimizations. Then we'll make audit it and optimize it and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself.
Okay. Yeah, I think at this point, without knowing anybody, I'm really not wanting to give access.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
So you're saying it's 10 videos? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, 10 videos for 7 days cost 120 USD.
Okay, $120 for 10 videos.
Yeah, yeah,
$120 total.
yeah.
Okay.
And our
So,
payment system is when you hire us, you can give 50% upfront and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer.
well, because I mean, I use Venmo, but I don't use any other electronic resources. So that's the one that that or with a credit card, but those are the only two that I use. And of course, Venmo's a credit card anyway. So do y'all accept Venmo?
Venmo is not supported in our territory, but do you have PayPal?
Yes.
Okay, so you also can pay through PayPal also.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're saying you're going to take 10 videos and you're going to optimize them, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna owe you $120 is what you're saying?
Yeah, $120.
$120 total is what you're talking about.
Yeah, total 120 USD. and you no need to pay anymore. And we will within this amount we will fix all of the problem for your 10 videos.
Okay.
But our main thing is our client satisfaction.
Right.
Yeah, we believe that if we provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day.
Right. Okay. Do I send you the links for these videos, or what do I send to get for you to get them?
You just pick your 10 videos by yourself and send the link to us. Then our team member will start working for you and he will send his payment details. And after paying 50% advance, then he will start working for you.
So then I'd send you $60 up front, and then when they're approved, I'd send you the other 60.
Yeah.
Okay. And do I send you the link from YouTube or from YouTube Studio, or what link do I send you specifically
From YouTube.
from YouTube? And if we're doing that, then so therefore everything that you're doing is going to will be on video, not just audio, correct?
Yeah, we will work for video, not audio.
Right. Okay.
Mm.
All right. And so you said it takes about a week for this to get done. So if I like right now, I've got the one about the Fort Worth Rodeo, then I've got one about IndyCar and FIFA coming, and if I've got all those, so I just pick the 10 that I want and just send them to you.
Okay, okay, sounds good.
Okay.
As you are not giving your channel access, we will optimize each of the things and we will hand over to you. Then you have to implement by yourself.
Okay. How do I implement?
We
So
will
you're
guide
gonna
you. We will guide you. No problem.
okay, guide me to implement.
Okay.
Okay, why don't you send me a 2 or 3 paragraph agreement that so we both have confirmation of our arrangement, and then I'd be glad to proceed.
Okay, no problem. Our team member will send after finishing the meeting.
Okay, good deal. We
Okay. So
appreciate it.
thanks for
Thank
your
you.
time. Yeah, thanks for your time. Bye
Thank
bye.
y'all. Bye bye.